Hey guys, it's AJ the Barbershop Kid, and today we're here at the new and improved Shear's Old Town Barbershop in Old Town Salinas. Let's go take a look.
So you met someone who set you back on your heels. Goody goody. So you met someone and now you know how it feels. Goody goody. So you gave him your heart too, just as I gave mine to you. And he broke it in little pieces. And now how do you do? So you lie awake just singing the blues all night. Goody goody. So you think that love's a ball of dynamite. Hooray and hallelujah, you had it coming to ya. Goody goody for him, goody goody for me. And I hope you're satisfied, your rascal you. Hey! So you met someone who set you back on.
So, why did you start barbering?
So I actually started as a cosmetologist, and I worked in just a regular cookie cutter, in and out type of hair cutting thing.
Yeah.
And it wasn't until I started doing more men's hair cutting that I realized barbering was going to be up and coming.
Yeah.
So I moved away for a little bit, and when I was down in Los Angeles, I seen that barbering was everywhere. So I figured out that, I should be a barber because I'm doing all these men's hair cutting with fine detail, but I'm not getting the same recognition because I'm a cosmetologist. So what I did was I moved back and decided to come and do barbering in my hometown. That way I can get most of my clients back and just have a little bit of a following instead of starting from the bottom all over again.
Did anyone inspire you, or do you have any inspirations?
I think I just inspire more or less myself all the time. Once I get something really down, I try to move on to the next best thing. And I figure that's what keeps me going, and just obviously looking at new haircuts and new trends, and for sure the new tools that we always come out with,
Yeah.
clippers and all. That's always pretty inspiring.
So basically looking at the stuff that other people are doing, so basically that's technically what inspires you, and then you start trying to do that. And if you do good in that, then you start doing that more, and
I'll move forward with it. A lot of men are getting more comfortable with doing color in their hair.
yeah.
So that's something pretty new for people to do, add fun colors and not be afraid to be who they want to be.
Yeah.
So I feel, that is a lot of inspiration because not only do fathers, but now the sons and then the daughters, everyone can all have some fun with their hair and not be afraid to do anything. I mean, at the end of the day, it's just hair too.
Yeah. Do you have any plans for the future in barbering?
So with barbering, I'm going on, this will be my second year of being a barber license, and I'm going on my 6th year of being a cosmetologist.
Wow.
Yeah, so a total of, I would say 7 years doing hair in general. Let me have you look this way. Thank you. For the future, I really would like to be on stage, whether it be doing education or whether it be working under a platform artist, and also have fun with it. Maybe travel, try new tools, try new products, be the center of attention.
So what would you consider to be your strengths?
So my strength would be definitely head shapes. I can generally understand somebody's head shape before I start a haircut. Learning the head shapes and understanding people's head shapes is a really big factor onto where to place maybe a fade, or maybe where to start with the haircut, or overall with the end look and how to keep hair in the areas that are needed to balance out a face. I also feel that I'm pretty strong in doing bald fades, any type of fade or taper that guys come in and ask me. I can almost nail it.
So what do you like the most about being a barber?
So what I could say is why I like most being a barber is I really like the end results and the satisfaction that the client gets when they actually see how good they can look. Everyone always comes in and they always think that we're gonna fix them, but naturally all we do as barbers is, you know, we just enhance their features. We don't really fix anything about them. It's all what they have, I guess, underneath all that hair, possibly.
True.
I think it really takes a good barber to understand the client's wants and needs and what they're looking for at the end of the day.
So what are any weird or funny experiences you've had with clients in the past?
One of the funniest things was some kids just really don't like getting a haircut. So if there's ever a child in my seat that's just hysterically crying or they're just very, you know, nervous or worried, I kind of just try to focus on getting them in and out as soon as possible. I also don't try to push it, but one of my coworkers definitely went for it, and the kid threw up all over her chair.
So do you have any advice for any like upcoming barbers if they're watching this video?
Yes, I do. I think that anyone that really enjoys doing artistic creations such as drawing, painting, taking pictures, and they've always kind of wondered if they could ever do hair, I think that they should go for it.
Today we're gonna be trying something different. We're gonna have Josh try Crystal Lake, which we're gonna have an upcoming review on. It's a product by Zach and Ninja.
So we have Shear Revival Crystal Lake Styling Pomade. Let's see what the fuss is about. Oh, it's super creamy. Nice. It's like coconut. You know what almond joys are? The candy?
Yeah.
Kind of smells like almond joys, huh?
Yeah.
Nice. Nice and sturdy product too. Perfect. You know these dark ones are really good for UV, so it protects the product if it's left in your car, like this dark glass case.
So it protects it from melting?
Yeah, so say you're going to go travel and you're going to need your product because you're going to go to the beach or the sun or sand or whatever, it protects it, the inside of it. So I don't know how you put your pomade on, but I like to rub it all in my hand so you can barely actually see it. That way, since your hair is dark, you want to not have too much of a glob of cream, especially since it's a little bit more of a white residue.
Yeah.
And then usually when I style hair, I usually start in the back of the gentleman's cowlick. Just because you do have a cowlick, I'm sure you know that. So what we do is we start in the back, so say you have too much product on your hand, you put it on the back first, and then whatever you have left, you just run it through it, and then it kind of gets everything. I still even have some on that I can feel in my hands, so what I do then is I come in here on the sides and kind of mush it through a little bit. Do you like it to be more separated, like finger style product, or you like it to be more classic pompadour, very like formal?
Like more formal.
Very more formal?
Yeah.
Alright, sounds good. Let's go ahead and comb it through then. So then I would use something with a fine tooth so I can get rid of the separation. And then what it'll do is just kind of evenly distribute it throughout the entire hair. And that way you can have a better hold all day for you. And then that way you get that real tall comb over pompadour. Looks good. It smells super good. I like that.
And also, like, sometimes it has like different layers.
Does it?
Like,
you
scents.
can add a lot of layers.
So, like, overall, what's your review? Like, what would you give it?
This product?
1 to 5.
1 to 5. Let's see. I think I'm going to go ahead and give it a strong 4. Just because I really do like the consistency of the product. I would give it a 5. I just have to get the feedback from you now to see how it holds for the rest of the day. And then we could top it with the number 5 if that's the case. But it looks like it's holding your hair pretty well. It's all in place and intact, and it's not too much left on my hands, which I really like about products.
So is there like anything that you'd like to say to anyone who were to come here and get a haircut with you?
Yeah, I would like to tell them to get ready for an awesome experience and a pretty kick-ass haircut. Excuse my language. But a pretty good haircut. Yeah, that's what I have to say about that.